94-year-old Nollis Dixon, also known as Maas Vick, is one of Hanover's oldest farmers.
Are you planting this pumpkin? Oh, it's heavy, man.
Even though he is not as agile as he was in his younger years, he still cultivates a few crops in his yard in Clifton, Hanover. Clifton is one of the communities within the Dolphin Head mountain range, regarded as one of the most biodiverse places on earth. Maas Vick is proud of his pumpkin vines that he plants, which yield compact, delicious pumpkins.
Maas Vick, so this is the pumpkin that you planted. It's weigh about how much? About 7 pounds, not true? Feel heavy. Like a dense. What kind of pumpkin this? You have any special name?
Special name.
Okay, well, so it's a good pumpkin this.
Yeah, man. I'm going to get about 4 more rounds up.
Okay, so then I have to make soup.
And cook me like it, me cook it.
Maas Vick was born in the neighboring community of Maryland and moved to Clifton as a young man. The community of Clifton is one of the most bountiful places in Jamaica. It is known for its abundance of fruits such as breadfruit, mangoes, cocoa, guineps, and herbs and spices such as pimento, turmeric, and cinnamon. Maas Vick is as calm and cool as a cucumber. He attributes his longevity and that of his Dolphin Head compatriots to good behavior and God's grace.
Been schooling between school time and at home, farming. We work in the oven, bake, you bake. I was the man at the home who look after the baking things.
Okay, where?
Around here at home, at this home here.
Oh, so you were a baker as well?
Yes.
Okay, what you used to bake?
Buns. All kind of things.
Cake, bun,
Yeah.
bulla.
Bun.
Okay, bread.
No, not
Just
not,
bun,
not
just
bread.
bun and cake.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're originally from Clifton. Tell us about yourself. Where were you born?
I is Springfield, over Maryland.
Oh, okay.
School at Maryland school for a time, and then come over here now and begin to grow and try to women till you want to get married and things. Yes, and think about building a family.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you were a yam farmer.
Yeah, man.
But before you talk about the yam, tell us about when you were growing up so what schools you attended and so forth.
Finish. Maryland.
Maryland school. Okay. So
I spent a little time off in Ontario.
oh, where?
Yeah, man. America. Go to America about two times.
On vacation.
And going down was spend around 6 months. The money American business, that's the one in England. So we living there again.
Eh.
And we work in America, we make 3 voyages.
Go make what?
3 voyages.
3 voyages. Oh, okay.
And come back now and begin to make a house of me and my wife.
Yes.
And she get them.
Okay. And you are now 90 what? 94. When is your birth? When were you born? What? You remember what year?
This is the 7th of July coming around.
7th of July?
Yeah, I'm going to be 19.
Okay, you know we're born the 6th of July.
Yeah,
Yes.
He also cultivated Lucy yams, a tuber from Hanover regarded as the tastiest you can ever find.
So you were a yam farmer, and you farmed yam where? Up here in Clifton or over in Maryland?
Both places. I land over mountains, you know. 2 acre big land over my place and nobody want to buy big land. Just say goodbye. Yeah.
So you don't plant anything on it, or tree, or you have fruit trees
Yes,
on
man,
it?
tree depending man.
Fruit trees?
Yeah. Fruit trees and listen, me plant no lands and you saw lumber so.
Oh,
And
lumber.
the man come and touch the man rub and run with chocolates.
Okay, so tell us about the yam farming.
During the farm,
Yeah.
during the farm, you used to plant here this side and plant over here. So when the buying time come, but this man want to buy, the other man come and buy and buy. Yeah.
So tell me the yams, because you used to plant loose yam. Tell me about the loose yam and the other yams that you used to
Yellow yam, the best one that people love the most is yellow yam. One name sweet yam, one name rinter, one name long yam.
And nigga yam.
Nigga yam. Same name,
White yam.
Same name, white yam.
And what is special about loose yam?
Well, the people who buy, they eat it to me.
Yes.
And the other people them buy it too, so the man will do the buying for them. Sell to other people.
But I hear that you have less loose yam being planted nowadays.
A while ago, I just walk up at a place called look for banana, and me go look at one banana and say, it's full now. It can't cook.
You were cultivating up to last year when you were
Last year?
Yes.
No, man. Me stop.
When I stop.
Me stop. Me resign church at Asking. You must know now 3 years going. And my wife gone. You can go on 3 years, about 4 she gone.
So you stopped going to the farm when you were about 90?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me something now. What are your favorite foods? What you like to eat?
The same kind of thing what we used to eat in the heart. Piece of nigger yam, piece of sweet yam,
Yes.
piece of yellow yam. You know? Yeah. Yes. If I like meat, the poor people meat, it's like beef
So you like beef, stew beef?
and mutton.
Okay. When you were doing the height of your farming, like what time you used to get up? Like in the morning, you used to go to the bush?
Right. Sometimes more earlier, 7 o'clock, I don't get the cow.
Oh, you had cows too?
Plenty cow, man.
You milk them?
Yes.
You milk them yourself?
Yes.
And what you used to do with the milk? Sell to community people or just for your house?
Just in the home, who want to buy them, buy and give away free.
Oh, okay. But you see, you don't go to the bush anymore, but you still plant some things in and around the yard.
Yeah. Well, I can give a little school now.
Yes.
Well, I planted a little thing this year, you know. Like,
Yes.
maybe I know one couple of days for this, I get work for somebody else to dig it. So my years have to produce it.
Oh, but you plant it?
Yes.
Yes.
And I little thing is me plant right now, so go on.
Oh, one way you plant it, but you plant the pumpkin where you just show me.
Yes.
Oh, your father.
I never see me doing it.
Oh,
Yeah. Never.
you have brothers and sisters?
Dead one brother died.
Oh, you have one brother, so it was just two of you. Okay, so you live to 90, to up in your 90s. What do you think has kept you so strong? You still walk around, you still do a little cultivation and so on?
No, man, I go around and sell anything. Just then gas, and then see the gas house. Me sell when you finish now. Because somebody will buy and come and sell it to people when they come.
Oh, you sell gas?
Yes.
Okay.
The gas house right there.
Okay. So right. So yeah. So you live very long. What do you think? And Miss Ella is in her 90s now. So what do you think? People up and then you have a lot of people up here have lived to, like even over in Askinish, live to like 100 and 110 and so on. What do you think make you live so long?
Well, must be a good gift of the Lord. You don't think so?
Yes.
Good behavior.
Good behavior.
Because you can't take anything for granted and say, hey, you have to say your prayers and give thanks to God. You work well. To man and to God.
And then you do a lot of moving, you exercise and so on, because you go bush and you keep active. So but the mango them now, we have only for mango up here.
And you see, me no go bush and like mango tree, like when they go around this way. I mean, you see mango tree, and I get a couple there.
Okay. So you want to show me some of the things that you plant?
No, some
You know, show me.
bush around.
No, me not talk. Me talk from the yard. Where you plant here, sir?
Well, all right, right there, so.
That fruit, the one it's
Mechanics,
up here. The coconut tree there up here, so I know for a long time. For a long time coconut tree that
when you want to be
long time wanna grow tall. And it's a different one this. Okay. But you look hearty, man. You don't look like you're 90 now.
Me?
Like you're 70 something.
Not 7.
Like you're 70, you're 70.
Tell you right now.
Where's about the pumpkin now?
It's a pumpkin. We can't sell 2 pumpkins. But somebody come up me and see anybody come buy 1 or 2.
Oh, if anybody want pumpkin.
Yeah, me have pumpkin to sell now.
Okay. And them nice and taste good.
To me. Because I'm one time we got here.
Oh, okay.